My name is Terry Miller.
My name is Bevan.
We are Eight360. We're building the future of entertainment. This is a world first untethered VR motion platform. So you can get in and you can do full flips, you can move in any direction. And it has virtual reality as well, so it feels as real as it looks. We're changing the game.
I have a startup called Oosh, and Oosh is a app for your phone that controls digital signage. So what we got here is we're trying to make it real simple, real fast, just grab something out of your camera roll here, try and get a cool image, and then oosh it. So we're trying to use that word oosh, so you're ooshing something, which is exciting. It's a cool word to say. And just like that.
Working in First Assembly is really great, not only because we have the facilities and all the different interesting companies working here, but because we also get the support from Creative HQ with the mentoring and business advice.
I enjoy the connections out here, I enjoy the people that you meet, and I enjoy it that there are people that know what they're doing and can help you out with certain things.